What's up everyone, it's Roblox Monday. Today we're going to be drawing Budgey from Roblox, so be sure to subscribe and be a part of our journey to the diamond play button. So let's grab some paper and a pen and let's go. Let's begin in the center of our page and draw two circles for the eyes. So we start on the left side, starting from the top of the circle. So we come all the way down towards the bottom and pull that back up towards the top. Now I'm going to leave a gap in the center and draw the same thing on the right side. So let's line up the top of the circle. Bring that all the way down towards the same height and then back up towards the top. And then we'll go in and trace the eyes along the inside. Let's start back at the top, we'll step down, just leave an even space gap all the way around and then back up. And then we'll fill the outside area in black. Let's move to the center and draw on the top edge of the beak. In between the eyes, we're going to start right here, start with a point. Now from here we're going to curve out and then down towards the left. Go back to the center, curve out and down towards the right. And then from the outside we'll curve down and in towards the center of the beak. Let's start on the left, come down, just bend that in towards the middle, and go out and up on the right side. Now we're going to add a seam going down the center of the beak. Starting at the very top, draw a straight line coming all the way down towards the tip. Let's move out to the side and draw the lower half of the head. From the left eye, we're going to step out, we're going to draw a large half circle. So we come down, just going to pull that in towards the side of the beak on the left side. Move over towards the right, going out, and we'll pull that up. Let's add a seam along the bottom of the head. Starting from the outside of the beak, curve out and then down, go to the right, and do the same thing. Let's add the cheeks on the side of the head. We're going to start on the left side. We're going to draw a circle going up, down, and then back out. Let's line this up on the right side, going up, down, and then back out. Now I'm going to pull the left side of the head going up a little bit higher. So I want to continue this curve, going up, and then just pull that into right about there. We'll connect the left and the right side with a curve. We'll go across, and then just bend that down. Let's move back in and draw on the eyebrows. Directly above the left eye, we step up, draw a straight angle line. Going down, and then in. Let's line this up on the right side, go up, and out underneath the hat. Let's flatten off the inside with a short line going up and in. Let's go to the outside and do the same thing, going up. Connect the outside to the inside with a straight angle line. Now we're going to go over towards the right side and go up and out underneath the edge of the hat. Let's fill in the eyebrows. And now we're going to move back out and draw on the side of the hat. Let's start on the left side, draw a straight angle line going up and out. Now on the right side, we're going to draw that same length line going up and out towards the right. And then we'll connect the outside of the hat with a curve. Let's start back on the left and go up in the middle. We'll round this out and then come down on the right. Let's add that trim along the top. Starting on the left, we're going to step down. Just going to follow that same curve, going up, across, and then down. Now we're going to add that skull and crossbones in the center of the hat. Let's start with a circle, starting from the top. It's going to go all the way around towards the bottom, and back up towards the top. And then we'll add two bones on either side of the circle. Starting at the top on left, it's going to curve up, round this out and then pull that in. We'll draw the bottom of the bone, going out, in, and then back in behind the circle. Let's take that and flip it over on the right, starting on the outside. Pull that back in, and draw one more curve, going out, and then in. Let's add 2 more bones along the bottom, starting on the left. And again, drawing another curve, going back up, and then we'll flip that over on the right side. Now we're going to move in and draw in the eyes. Let's start with 2 straight angled lines. So we're going to leave a gap in the center, draw a line going up on the left, and then the right. And then we'll connect the outside to the inside with a half oval, coming down, and then up. And then we'll fill the eyes in black. I'm also going to add 2 short lines along the bottom for the nostrils. Let's move up to the top of the hat and draw on the feathers. We're going to start on the left side, start with a curve going up and then out, move over towards the right, and do the same thing. Now I'm just going to taper that back in with a short curve. Let's add another one up above, starting back on the left, go up and out, and then we'll pull that back in. And then from the inside we'll go up and then in toward the center point. Let's start on the left, going up, just pull that in, then go out, and then down on the right. Let's add another feather over on the right side, starting on the side of the hat, going out, and we'll bend that up. Now from here it's going to curve down, round this out, and then pull that back up towards that line. Let's add 1 more feather along the bottom, starting out here, curve out, and then up, and then we'll taper that back in towards the hat. Now we're going to move down and draw the side of the body. Let's start over on the left side, underneath the head, curve the body going out, and then down. Let's move over towards the right and do the same thing, going out and down in the opposite direction, towards the same height. Let's add a zigzag pattern going across the bottom, starting back on the left, and go up and in. Same thing on the right. And then from here we're going to come down and in towards the center point. Let's tuck the legs in underneath the body. You need a gap in the center. Let's go to the left side, curve the leg going out and down towards the heel, move over towards the right, and do the same thing. And then we'll round out the bottom of the feet. Starting from the heel, curve the foot coming down and then up towards the toe. Let's connect the toe to the heel with a curve. We're going to start on the outside, we're going to go up and then bend that down. Now I'm going to move back up and draw on the outside of the leg. From this point we're going to step in, curve the leg going out, and then down on top of the foot. Let's add a couple toes along the bottom. Starting from the outside, we'll draw a half circle. Going up and then down. Leave a small gap and do that again. And now I'm going to add some texture across the legs. We're going to start from the top of the foot, step up, curve down, and up toward the inside. Line this up on the right, and do the same thing. Now we're going to repeat these curves going all the way up towards the top of the leg. So we're going to leave a gap, just repeat this all the way up towards the top. Let's move back up and draw on the arms. We're going to start halfway down the side of the body. So starting right here, curve out and then down. Line this up on the right and do the same thing. And then we'll round out the cuff of the sleeve. Starting from the bottom, go out and then bend that up. Do the same thing on the right. And then from the outside, we'll curve the arm going up and then in underneath the head, just beside the top of the body. Now the hand on the left is basically a half oval tucked in underneath the sleeve. So from the outside, we'll step in, draw the half oval, coming down, rounding this out, and then pulling that in. And we'll draw a hook on the right side, starting halfway along the sleeve, curve out, down, and then pull that up. I'm just going to taper that back up underneath the sleeve so it gets wider as you go around, and then in. And that's pretty much it. There's Budgey from Roblox. I hope you enjoyed today's lesson. Make sure you subscribe and send me your requests in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you again soon.